In this video, we will show you how to replace your left front bumper bracket on the Chevy Tahoe. This will be located under the left front of your bumper. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the left front of the vehicle. You'll find that you have three 15mm headed bolts holding this bracket in place. Remove all three, then the bracket. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new bracket. We'll take that and put it in place. Start in all three of your mounting bolts, and then you can snug them up. Okay friends, we fully installed our left front bumper bracket. At this point, if you're doing them as a pair, go ahead over to the other side of the vehicle and do the exact same thing. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.